Good morning. So originally my plan was to do a sort of vlogmas thing this year because it sounded fun, and I'm done with school for a month, so I figured I'd have a lot of time to just have fun and play around with making videos. And I already know that this is not gonna go out on December 1st. So we're starting off well. So I think just this month I'm gonna do videos more often than I have been, but probably not as regular of a schedule. It's just gonna be kind of when inspiration strikes. Yeah, because why not? It's just supposed to be for fun anyway. Yeah, so this video will get out sometime this week. But I want to do a couple of holiday themed ones. Today I'm gonna make eco-friendly, low-waste decorations, and there are a lot of decorations in my house, but they're all my roommates, and my room is bare and it's sad, so I'm gonna make some today. And then I want to do some like showing you how I wrap Christmas presents or other holiday presents, birthday presents, low waste, and other things. I can't think of anything else right now that has to do with the holidays, but yeah, I want to do a few holiday ones and then just some other happenings in my life these days, because I think that would be fun. Anyway, I'm gonna go make some coffee and then start making some decorations. Now, I got my Imperfect Foods box, and for the decorations I'm making, I wanted oranges, so I got two kinds. I got big ones, regular oranges, and then little like clementine or mandarins. Those are different, I think, but I don't know what's what. Little ones, big ones and little ones, you know, the two kinds of oranges. I'll put up a picture on the screen of kind of the looks I'm going for. I want to make kind of like this wreath, and then I have a vase, and I was thinking about putting some more branches in, and then using this little guy to make little like orange ornaments for them. So we'll see how this all works. I am going to slice these up. This one's a little yellow, so I'm hoping it still looks okay inside. Oof. And then bake them at like a low temperature, like 175, maybe 200 for probably a few hours, until they're all dried up, and then we'll see if I can make some cute little decorations. lowest my oven goes is 200. So I guess we're baking it at 200. Or maybe I can, does that work? I'll just do 200. That'll be fine. Right? Okay, let's arrange these. These are a bit. Alright. Beautiful. It's not quite preheated, but it doesn't really matter. Usually I don't wait for it to get preheated because it just kind of wastes some energy and it'll cook eventually. I don't know, do I have to check this like every hour now? I have no idea. I think I will. Just keep an eye on it. We're learning. All right, I have my oranges all here. I think they turned out really pretty, actually. I like that they're a bunch of different colors. And then I have some branches that I just got from outside, and then some threads and needles to assemble, hopefully. And then I have some embroidery rings, and I thought this one might be good to try and make that wreath thing. And, you know, of course, coffee, the most important. And yeah, I guess we're just gonna kind of see what I can do. Wish me luck. All right, I finished my two little projects and I think they turned out pretty good. Let me show you where I'm putting them. At least I think I'm putting them. So first off, I have this, and I think this turned out really well, honestly. This little wreath guy. So I put it up above my bookshelf. I got my record player and my books and everything. I threw it up there. I think it looks honestly better than I thought it would. I feel like this isn't really doing it justice, but it looks really cute. And then let's move over here. Now this, I don't know if this is anything. It doesn't look terrible. It's just kind of random. It doesn't look like the picture, let's just say that. But I mean, it smells really good and it adds some color to my room. So I'm gonna keep it. And then I still have all of these. So if anyone has any other ideas, let me know, because I don't know what to do with them. I think this is growing on me. It's not the worst. It's not the worst. It's just kind of random. I don't know. Maybe it's fine. Maybe it's cute. Well, I am done with this for the day. This took a lot longer than I thought it would because I'm not a great crafter. But I think tomorrow I'm gonna make some more decorations. I'm thinking maybe popcorn garland, a classic. But we'll see. We'll see how crafty I'm feeling tomorrow. But see, did it turn out good? I think it turned out, I think it's cute. I think it's cute, and that's what matters. No one else comes in my room. But yeah, so for today, I'm done with that. I'm just gonna go to the climbing gym and I'll take y'all with me, I guess. I don't really totally know how to vlog, but yeah, I'll bring you along. I feel safe when I'm there. All of our chalk is alcohol based, so it's basically like we're putting hand sanitizer on every time we put chalk on. Only a certain number of people are allowed in. There's moving air. You don't really get close to anybody ever. We're all masked, obviously, so I feel safe when I'm there. And if I ever didn't feel safe, I wouldn't go. But yeah, I'm gonna do that and get a little fun exercise in, and then maybe read later, I think. I just wanna relax a little bit. I've been going, and I just want some downtime. But yeah, let's go.
That the cannelé pan kind of gives me some structure with some ruffles. I'm hoping the ladies have a little bit of a muffin top. And I'll put it to them. Well, don't be the fire.